It was an extremely valuable experience for me. One of the most valuable parts of it was generating a pitch deck. What I had was, prior to Equalize 2020, was a very scientific pitch deck. And what I had after the 6-month program was a much more professional pitch deck.
It was really getting access to and benefit from a world-class network of distinguished entrepreneurs and biotech professionals, and also receiving first-hand advice and input from company incorporation to financing, and now all the way through building and growing the company.
She spent so much time with me and really went through each of my slides one by one, listened to my practice pitch over and over, stayed in contact. Even we're still in contact when she finds something that she thinks would be of interest to me, or introduce me to someone in her network that she thinks will help me. That I can't put a value on that, because it's invaluable.
I would say I was really provided with a very safe and informal environment to learn, obviously, from the very best and to improve on my skill sets, which were until that point outside of my comfort zone.
I think that the overall environment was incredibly supportive, and the mentors were there solely to support women and help women become successful in their entrepreneurial activities.
Equalize provides an outstanding opportunity in a very safe environment to get accustomed to the language and processes of the startup world, to pitch and sell your amazing idea, and then to finally bring it to the market.
Since then, I have pitched to a couple different investment groups, and one is now interested. So I'm very excited about that. And again, very grateful to everyone at Equalize 2020, and especially my mentor, Shobha, for that opportunity.
My mentor really helped me, and I would not have been able to build up our company so quickly and smoothly. And obviously, I will be forever grateful to Equalize for really providing this exclusive and outstanding opportunity.